What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Let me hit you with something most drivers completely ignore during winter. That tiny tire pressure warning light on your dashboard? It could be costing you money every single week, and I'm not exaggerating. When temperatures drop, your tire pressure drops with it. For roughly every 10-degree temperature drop, your tires can lose around 1 to 2 psi. That means your perfectly inflated tires in fall can quietly become underinflated by winter, and that creates a chain reaction. Worse fuel economy, faster tire wear, longer stopping distances, and on icy roads, that becomes a real safety issue fast. And here's where people make things worse. They trust those cheap gas station gauges or some old plastic gauge buried in their glove box that probably hasn't been accurate in years. That's why today, we're breaking down the best tire pressure gauges you can buy right now for winter driving. Some are built for everyday drivers. Some are designed for trucks and RVs. Some prioritize digital precision. And one of these ended up winning because it balances accuracy, durability, and cold weather reliability better than anything else on this list. Let's get into it. At number 6, we've got the AstroAI 230 PSI dual-head digital gauge. This thing is built for heavy-duty users. If you drive a truck, RV, trailer, commercial vehicle, or anything running extremely high tire pressures, this makes a lot of sense. Its biggest advantage is that massive 230 PSI range. Most standard gauges can't handle that. The dual-head design is another huge win because checking inner dual-wheel tires can be a nightmare without the proper tool. Truck owners know exactly how frustrating that can be. The digital display is bright and easy to read, and the built-in flashlight becomes surprisingly useful during early morning or nighttime tire checks. But here's the catch. This is complete overkill for regular car owners. And like all digital gauges, battery dependency is still a weakness during extreme cold. For truck owners, though, this is extremely practical. At number 5, we've got the ETENWOLF T300 digital gauge. This one is built for people obsessed with accuracy, and I mean seriously obsessed. Its certified calibration makes it one of the most precise gauges on this list. That makes it great for performance car owners, enthusiasts, and people who simply hate inaccurate readings. The 200 PSI range also makes it far more versatile than most car-only gauges, and the rugged protective housing helps it survive drops in garage environments. That's important because cheaper digital gauges can feel fragile. The biggest downside? It's more expensive than most casual drivers need. And again, battery dependence remains a factor. But if precision matters most, this is a great option. At number 4, we've got the 12-inch dual-head analog gauge. This is old-school simplicity done right. No batteries, no screens, no software issues, no charging. It simply works. And that matters during freezing winter mornings when digital batteries can fail. The extended design makes it incredibly useful for trucks, trailers, and larger vehicles with difficult valve access. And because it's built from metal, durability is excellent. Now the downside? Reading stick gauges can feel less convenient than digital displays, especially at night. But reliability here is hard to beat. At number 3, we've got the GODESON Dual Head Gauge Pack. This one wins big on value. You're getting 2 heavy-duty analog gauges for a very reasonable price. That makes this perfect for families with multiple vehicles, truck owners, or anyone who wants one gauge at home and another in the vehicle. The durability is excellent. No batteries means no winter failures, and they're extremely simple to use. But they lack the precision and convenience of premium digital models. Still, for practical buyers, this is a smart pick. At number 2, we've got the AstroAI 0 to 150 PSI digital gauge. This feels like the sweet spot for most drivers. It's designed for regular cars, SUVs, motorcycles, and light trucks. And the biggest advantage here is precision. The ability to read in very small increments helps you dial in tire pressure much more accurately than cheaper analog gauges. The backlit screen is also a huge advantage during dark winter mornings. And it's incredibly easy to use. Quick reading, clear display, no guesswork. But here's the true problem. It still depends on batteries, and it's not as rugged as our #1 pick. Which brings us to the winner. At #1, we've got the ETENWOLF analog tire pressure gauge. And this wins because it solves the biggest winter problem: reliability. No batteries means no dead screens in freezing weather, no charging issues, no electronic failures. It simply works every single time. And unlike cheap analog gauges, this one still delivers excellent accuracy. The large glow dial is a huge advantage for winter mornings when visibility isn't great, and the pressure hold feature makes reading much easier. That combination of durability, accuracy, and winter reliability makes this the best overall option for most drivers. It may not be ideal for massive commercial truck tires, but for regular cars, SUVs, and daily winter driving, this is the safest bet. Before you buy anything, here's the biggest mistake people make. They only check tire pressure when the warning light turns on. That's way too late. Cold weather pressure changes happen constantly. Checking your tires weekly during winter can save you fuel, improve traction, and extend tire life. That small habit saves real money. So here are the final winners. Best overall goes to ETENWOLF Analog. Best digital option goes to AstroAI 0 to 150 pounds per square inch. Best heavy-duty truck option goes to AstroAI 230 pounds per square inch. Best budget multi-pack goes to GODESON. And best precision tool goes to ETENWOLF T300. Check the links in the description for updated pricing and compatibility before buying. And if this video helped you stay safer this winter and save money at the pump, hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive gear reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one. Drive safe out there.